Hey everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. So, I am just making my dinner. I am making cottage pie and sweet curry peas. Nothing that fancy. Look at her. She's like, I want a cottage pie. Ruby. No sniffing the bed. Not gonna happen. No. My dogs are crazy. Right, let's put this away up. Ugh. So then it's not so dark in here. There we go, that's better. So yeah, I've not really done that much today. I've done the washing and I've yeah, that's about it. I was feeling a little bit poorly again today, but it passed over, so I'm hoping that I'll be okay tomorrow, because I'm going to my brother's tomorrow and I don't really want to be ill tomorrow, because I kind of I've been kind of looking forward to going to my brother's, and if I don't feel well, that's just gonna suck. But I've decided I'm gonna go anyway. But the only reason I'm it would be bad if I was ill, is I don't want to get very ill. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully, I'm feeling okay. So script writing news. You guys saw at the end of yesterday's vlog that I was trying to do some script writing, and my printer, I keep calling it a printer, my typewriter decided to run out of ink. Well, yeah, it's still not working, so I definitely think the ink is definitely run out. So there is a place in town, and I'm going to be in town tomorrow, so I might go and have a little look and see if I can get some ink for it, if I can. I don't even know if you can still get ink for typewriters. I mean, you probably get some people that use typewriters nowadays. I don't know, you probably don't, but yeah. So I'm going to see anyway. It's worth a little investigation, so we'll see. Anyway, my dinner will be burning, so let's go. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go get your toy. Go find it. Go find your toy. You ran right past it. It's there. Daisy, it's here. Stupid. Hey everyone. The dogs are super excited because they know I'm going out, and I'm just about to head to my brother's, so they're like super excited. There you go. This is what I have to put up with. I'm with Logan, and he's playing JJ for.
I'm playing my one. Should I do the little Jacob mission or the...
Well, you know, at the Cabaret Club, yeah. Have you ever heard of a comedian called Ricky Gervais?
Yeah, she's in it.
Yeah, he's in it.
Yeah.
Apparently, if Daisy and Ruby had this car, they'd be terrible drivers. Oh my god, Daisy's car would be on fire. Oh my god, and she'd be still driving?
Look what Daisy did.
Oh my god.
Wait for it, and then look what she would do next.
What would she do next?
Wait for it, this is what Daisy would do next. Wait for it, this is what Daisy would do properly. This is Daisy's car. This is Ruby's gangster vehicle. So badass.
So yeah.
Look at Ruby now.
Ruby's chilling on the bike. Oh my god.
Look, now Ruby's gonna steal a helicopter. Move out of my way, I've got places to be. Right, you gotta do this perfectly. I was raging last night because I didn't get it.
No. I'm just chilling out with Kaylee. She's so cute. Look how cute she is. Yes, and Thomas is here too. This is Thomas. He's so cute. Ain't ya? You cute. You wanna come up? Thomas, you want up? Come on in. Nope. Come on in. Oh, you cute. Aw, you're so cute. Hey, jealous? Aw. Hey, look at this little rebel. Hey? Don't break anything. Hey, come here. Thomas. Thomas. Psst, 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 psst. Oops. Okay, no, Thomas, away from the tea.